Welcome. Today we'll be centering ourselves in a guided morning meditation designed to welcome positive energy and sharpen our focus for the day ahead. As you join, allow yourself to fully relax and be present. This moment is just for you. Let's start by finding a comfortable seated position, allowing your body to settle and your mind to soften. Breathing and body awareness. Let's begin by bringing our awareness to the breath. Inhale deeply, feeling the air filling your lungs, and then gently exhale, releasing any tension. Inhale and exhale. With each breath, notice how the air feels as it moves in and out, nourishing your body. Slowly allow the breath to become softer, more natural. As you continue breathing, take a moment to gently scan your body, noticing any areas that might be holding tension. Release that tension with each exhale, setting an intention for the day. Now let's set an intention for today. Think of something you'd like to focus on, whether it's a feeling, a goal, or a mindset. It could be positivity, focus, gratitude, or calm. Silently repeat to yourself, "Today, I welcome positive energy and focus into my life. I am open to all the good that today has to offer." Feel this intention resonate within you. Imagine it as a gentle light, filling you up from within, radiating outward, grounding and connecting to the earth. Take a moment to feel the connection between your body and the earth beneath you. Imagine gentle, grounding energy moving up from the earth and into your body. This energy feels stable and supportive, anchoring you and giving you a sense of strength and balance. Imagine this grounding energy filling you from your toes to the top of your head, creating a deep sense of calm and centeredness. Cultivating positive energy. With each breath, begin to welcome in positive energy. Imagine it as a warm, golden light surrounding you, filling you with a sense of peace and joy. Silently affirm to yourself, "I am surrounded by positive energy. Today, I choose to see the good around me. I carry this positive energy with me wherever I go." Visualize this golden light expanding, filling your heart and radiating outward. Feel it lift your spirits, inviting a gentle sense of joy and calm into your being. Affirmations for focus and clarity. Now let's focus on clarity. Imagine your mind as a calm, clear pool of water, reflecting only what matters most to you today. Silently affirm to yourself, "I am focused and clear-minded. I am able to concentrate fully on what needs my attention. My thoughts are aligned with my purpose, and I am productive and present." Feel these words sink in deeply, becoming part of your inner self. Visualize your mind uncluttered, with a sense of simplicity and ease surrounding each thought. Visualization for a positive, productive day. Now, take a moment to visualize your day. Imagine yourself moving through each part of the day with ease and confidence, facing each task with calm and focus. See yourself taking on challenges with a positive outlook, allowing this energy to flow through all that you do. Visualize interactions filled with kindness, work done with purpose, and moments of joy throughout the day. This day is unfolding beautifully, and you are in tune with its rhythm. Closing affirmations and gratitude. As we near the end of this meditation, let's reinforce this energy with a few final affirmations. I am grateful for this new day and the opportunities it brings. I trust myself to make the most of today with positivity and focus. I am a source of positive energy and calm. Feel these affirmations fill you up, giving you strength and peace. Bring to mind a sense of gratitude for this moment, for this new beginning, and for all the experiences that lie ahead. Returning to the present, slowly, bring your awareness back to the present moment. Start to notice any sounds around you, the feel of the ground beneath you, and the sensation of your breath. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, bringing with you the peace, energy, and focus you've cultivated here today. Carry this sense of calm, positivity, and focus with you throughout your day. Thank you for taking this time for yourself.